Hi everybody, I'm back. It's me in my bathroom. I'm about to take a shower. I want to show you guys something. Can you see this? This is the Ordinary. I got all sorts. I got the retinol with the squalene. I got the niacinamide. I got the lactic acid peels. So what we're going to do today, and I'm going to show you in here, is the AHA, 30% of the BHA. This is the peeling solution. You guys see I've been doing chemical peels at home, so let's get involved in the Ordinary. It's got some great reviews. You know, for those of us that don't have the money to be going and getting those, $400 masks and stuff, let me test it out and give you my honest opinion. Now this has to sit on your face for 10 minutes, and you can do your neck too. So this is the bottle. This is what it looks like. Is it going to come out backwards in the mirror? Okay, I'll show it to you here. See, this is it. This is the Ordinary. 10 minutes. So you use it on a clean, dry face. Face is washed. I wash it every day. Let's take off the rings. I'll just take off a few of them. Take off the rings. Stays on for 10 minutes. I'm going to shake it up. Okay. And don't be surprised at the color. Please don't be surprised at the color. Okay? And it's meant to be a little bit juicy. Okay? A little bit drippy. And avoid eyes at all costs. So maybe what I should do is rub it in like this. You're supposed to use your fingertips, which is fine. You don't want to go by the skin by your eyes, however, okay? You don't want to do that. Oh, I can feel the burn, a little bit of burn already. And I'm doing this before my shower. Now, you guys know I have a problem with my décolleté. Oh, the burning is real. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, you can smell it. It smells just like the other acid. Oh, the 88%. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put this on. Oh my God, the burn is real. Okay. But beauty is pain, pain is beauty, right? We want that young, poppin', vibrant skin back. So this is from the Ordinary. I do believe the Ordinary is made in London, I want to say. I want to put more on my décolleté because I'm really, really interested in anything that has to do with this area. And I've got scarring here because I've been operated on twice. That's where my metal rods were, and then they re-broke my neck. That's why one shoulder, you can really see it now. You can see how one shoulder is bigger than the other. It's very embarrassing. My clothes don't fit. It's, my family's very kind and say, oh, they don't matter. Okay, so we're going to put this on for 10 minutes. And this is what they call a peeler, a topical peeler. And so is the other one with the retinol in it. They're written on the gray part of the Ordinary. So this is the peeling serum. And this one, the retinol with the squalene. I don't think this is real squalene. Squalene comes from usually like whale fat. I think this is all lab made. Otherwise it would be like hella expensive. Okay. Hey Siri, set timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
Okay. So it's on, it's drying, it's burning. And at that 10-minute mark, I'm going to jump into the shower. And I will keep you updated through various videos. But that's basically it, so don't freak out. I'm not going to get on my tattoo because I don't want it to eat away the ink of my tattoo. I got that tattoo in 1982, and then I had it redone 20 years ago, I think. Yeah, so they kind of breathed the original magic, but it's a unicorn. That's how you can tell how old I am. It was originally done. It looked like I was bleeding. It was very funny. Okay, so thanks for watching. And I hope you're not supposed to use more than this because I can really feel I can feel it working as it is right now, so I don't think you're supposed to use more than this. We'll see. I'll look up I'll go to their website. Oh, I missed a whole area. How did, oh, I did. I missed a whole area. Oh, my hair. I'm probably sure it's not good for bleached out hair either, but we shall see. Yeah. You know, ladies over a certain age, look at your hands. Looks like you were playing in wine or cranberries. Okay, so we'll let this sit. I'm assuming men can use it too. I don't see why not. You know what I mean? Men need to look good too. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the flip side. Bye.